Gentlemen of the press, let me also use this opportunity to once again give notice of warning to everybody on the Lagos-Badagry Express Road. Let me repeat. The Lagos-Badagry Express Road from Orile all the way to Lasso, Okokomaiko. We are coming to clear the entire media. We are coming to clear the entire media. And it will start from next week. I don't know if it is Monday, if it is Tuesday, but we're coming and everything will go. Can you hear me? Everything. Whatever it is that will be destroyed, will be taken away. On the median. It's a 10-lane highway that was built with the resources of our taxpayers, and will not fold our arms and turn that international gateway into a slum. This is another warning. This is a notice that I'm giving officially to everybody on that corridor. We are starting next week and we're going to be there. We're going to put thousands of men there. We're going to come with every equipment we have and we're going to rake and take away everything. No one will be spared. No one will be spared. This is a final notice. If you think that you are living there or you're happily living there or something, this is another 72-hour notice that I've given to you. Once we start, everything will go down. Because it is not meant to be a market. It is not meant to be a storage. It is a median for highway. It is a median that we're meant to preserve for the investment we'll make in that corridor. This is the final notice that we're giving. And we are not going to buckle down. We will stay there, we will remain there, we will do everything that is remaining to ensure that the laws of the state are kept. This is a final one. Thank you very much.